Be careful what you wish for. Kasi minsan, yung akala mong dream come true turns out to be your biggest stress. Halimbawa, nag-wish ka ng sana magkaroon ako ng bagong trabaho na mataas ang sahod. Ayun, ibinigay. Pero kasama pala doon yung boss na laging galit. Deadlines na walang katapusan. O kaya naman, you wished for a relationship. Sana may jowa na ako. Ayun, may jowa ka na nga. Pero parang may bago kang full-time job na walang sweldo. Wishes are powerful. Pero dapat smart din tayo. Hindi lang basta gusto. Isipin mo rin kung kaya mo ba siyang i-handle. Kasi minsan, the problem isn't getting what we want. It's being ready for it. So, before you make a wish, pause ka muna. Ask yourself, is this really what I want? Or just what looks good right now? Tandaan mo, hindi lahat ng shiny, gold. Minsan, stress lang na may magandang packaging.